another edition of How to Ghetto Style. And what we're going to do is we're going to how to change a flat tire ghetto style. Now, of course, this happens on older vehicles, especially with riding tires. So watch me as we do this ghetto style. Come on, follow me now. Now, this is the vehicle right here. And of course, few tires, they're pretty good right there. Now, come on, let me show you the tires. It's right up here. Now, I'll get closer now at that. See, that's the drive rod, and wires came out and everything. That was a potential hazardous situation where we're not going to mess with that too much. All right, now here I'm going to get busy. First thing we do is we get these lug nuts off real quick. Of course, I got the wrong one. So, speed for NASCAR race team. All right, there you go. Get these off. Then we go back over here, jack it up. You want to jack it till that's off the ground, because the other tires got to be able to go on smooth. Ghetto style. Now, once you get it high enough, like this, you can take the tire. That is damage. You be hurt bad on the highway. Of course, they got me to come do it. Ghetto style. Got the new tire. Put it on. Let's see. You want to line it up before you lift it. Like this. All right, got it. Put it on like this. Now throw our lug nuts back on like bow. Now what you want to do is tighten these up just enough. And when you tighten, you always tighten top, bottom, like that. You always crisscross them so they tighten evenly. Like such. This one. drop it down. Tighten the rest. Let me make sure these are tight. They'll be on the safe side. Because even though this is ghetto style, we'll make sure it's good to go. Okay, drop that. See, when you're doing the ghetto style, you always want to have your ghetto helper. And this is my man Paco. Get stupid. He going to finish it up right there, dropping it down a little bit. And then we're going to get busy. Now, once it's dropped down to the ground, then you can tighten it full strength that you need to. Since this is the last one to tighten, that's it. We did that ghetto style, baby.